stick with you. Yeah. Tricks that you plan for the next whole week. Plans too long for, but it's so cheap and your flex so deep and your sex so deep.
Okay guys, so now it's time to do makeup. I've just cleaned my face. I'm about to get ready to prep my face. So first we're gonna start by taking this wig off. We're gonna take the wig off and put the bonnet on. That was the easy transaction. So now we're about to move into prepping the face. Y'all know I use that e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, deep cinnamon. Also, I'm going to use the One Size Secure the Blur primer. To moisturize my face, I use the Fenty Skin Hydrovisor moisturizer. Also, I'm going to prep, do my brows, and I'm gonna come back because I'm gonna give y'all an in-depth brow tutorial after this video, period. Okay, and today I think I want to do things backwards. I think I want to try face first. I'm gonna still do my eyebrows and stuff, like then do face, but I think I'm gonna do face first. Deep cinnamon. Like I said, I'm gonna just come back to you all once I've done prepping and priming my face.
And hours and hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this hours and hours and hours.
Okay, so yeah, I did say I was gonna do face first, but I'm gonna just go with what I know right now since I'm really on like a little time limit right now. So of course I'm gonna go into my favorite palette, the Juvia's Place Warrior palette. We're gonna go into that Kano shade. Of course, my favorite shade, this one right here. We're going to go into that first. And this brush I'm going to use for the brown is going to be the Morphe 433 brush. And for the other shadow, I'm going to use the Pharmaceaux brush. So first, we're going to just go in and just tap.
Hey, staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, girls want...
It's only gonna be two shadows, so it's only gonna be a brown. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into this blank canvas by P. Louise. Acid Rain blank canvas. So I'm gonna go into that and I'm gonna just try to not make the line so harsh.
But they fell through. So you shot in 42 cause you, hey, throwing on your dress cause it's see-through.
Okay, and I'm gonna go in and cut the other one. We're gonna go into the eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna go in and add some mascara, and then I'm gonna put the wig on so that when I do my makeup, it doesn't interfere. So yeah, I was a little pressed for time, so I had to hurry up and rush and do my face. So now I'm just gonna line my lips. I haven't put any highlighter or spray my face down yet. Let me spray my face before I forget. Where is my fan? I'm gonna add some highlighter real quick. Now my highlighter is kind of broke, so I gotta like. I need to get another one of these, but that's probably gonna be it for highlighter. Nothing too spectacular. I'm gonna add some brow gel, guys, just to hold them in place. Okay, so I'm gonna take that concealer brush. And a title of my book would be Life with Superman.
I like the way you do it again. You shall